said it's family feud. That slide by myself before I call a nigga. My fingernails dirty cause I'm still a grave digger. And we ain't capping no wax if we never pulled the trigger. And goon steady putting Jimmy Glow up in his swisher. Never been the one to say today I'm the one clutching on the Drake.
What's good, YouTube? So basically, once you did, I'm just gonna jump right into it. But if you like these, like and subscribe and comment. I'm just gonna get right into it. Once you recorded the overlay, and once you recorded the screen recorded the overlay, what you wanna do? You wanna add your clip. I'm using a different clip from when I made this, but what you wanna do? You just add your clip, right? And then watch the clip. I'm turning the sound down, it's too loud. Watch your clip. It don't really matter what clip it is. I switch different clips so I can show you what type of, it don't matter what clip you do, it really doesn't. And it got the clip, right? What you want to do, you want to split your shotgun, have your shotgun, split it. Where your shotgun pulls out, like as soon as your shotgun pulls out, that's where you want to split it right there. Oh, I did it a little bit. It's cool though. And then just before you shoot, almost just before you shoot, you want to split it just before you shoot right there. Hold on, that. Just before I shot, right? And then you want to do speed, normal, 0.3. Once you do that, you go to your next clip, go to animation, and go all the way down, right vertical. It should look like this. I like to have mine at 0.6. And it should look like this. Let me show you. And then, yeah. Once you do that, add your overlay. Like the one you screen recorded, that stuff you screen recorded, add that, right? Add your overlay. Add your overlay. You can low-key do any color you want, but the colors I did was, let me see. I did all the way to blue, so I'm just gonna do that again. Show y'all what I was doing. I did all the way to blue, but this the cool thing about this overlay. You can do any colors you want. You can do this how many times you want. You can do any colors you want. So I did it all the way to light blue, so I'm probably just gonna do that. Hit that. Do that. And now it should look like this. Once you adjust it to the part where you slowed it down, you add that overlay. What you do is you make it big so your screen can see it. Make it as big as you want. I'm at it right there. You press splice. No, if you ain't got the thing, then you click your overlay, and then it should say splice right here, and you press splice. You go to filter, and now it blends in like this. What I like to do, but when you do that, you scroll to the right. Scroll to the right if you're on mobile. You should be. You go to brightness. I like to turn that up. I like to turn my contrast. Actually, no, I don't like to turn. Yeah, I like to turn my contrast up. And saturation, I turn that up too. Once you're done with all that, you go back, edit your clip, right? You adjust your clip, brightness down, contrast all the way to 28, right? 28, saturation up. No, yeah, your saturation up, and then you go to temp and put that all the way to -50. Once you do that, it should look like this. Wait, I forgot. You mute your volume on the clip if it's not muted. If it's not muted, mute your volume. If it is, then you turn it. And it should look like this. And that, wait, hold on, I did it wrong, kinda. If you did it wrong, you can just adjust the clip. It lasted a little bit too long, in my opinion. Hold up. You can adjust your clip too, you know what I'm saying? Make sure, yeah, like that. So, yeah. That's the 70 subscriber special. If you want more, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, I'm out. Peace.